So, warm welcome to this session by the H&M Group. My name is Jakob Knutsson. I'm here to talk about how we're integrating our business with tech. And we're going to break down the importance of incorporating tech into the DNA of our business and how tech is fundamental in everything we do. We're going to talk technology, we're going to talk cloud, we're going to talk culture and community, we're going to talk developer experience and tech standardizations, and we've created a brand new product organization where we explore new ways of working, where we have a customer-focused mindset, where we embrace our strong values and release the power of people to really innovate and develop products that are giving our customers a meaningful impact all over the world. But who are we? Well, the H&M Group consists of multiple brands, making it possible for customers around the world to express themselves through fashion and design and to choose a more sustainable lifestyle. Well, we create value for people and society in general by delivering our customer offerings and developing that with a focus on sustainable and profitable growth. Well, H&M Group was started in 1947, and that was when the first henna store was opened. And it was the result of testing a lot of different business ideas, and of course a wish to build something great. And then our founder Erling Persson was unafraid of failure and inspired by success and driven to create customer value. So he tested idea before H&M was born. And from the sort of small beginnings in a Swedish town called Västerås to the company we are today is one of growth. And I think of also trying to keep things simple and using a lot of common sense and doing great things for our customers. It's about opportunities captured, it's about lessons learned, pretty much things all tied to the DevOps cycle. And I don't think that anyone could see how much the world would change since it was started. But I think the H&M values have guided us and helped us navigate in these changes. And we started our first online store already in 1998 and now have around 5,000 stores worldwide and available in many, many online markets. So last time we spoke, the pandemic had hit, and we've all now gotten used to online events. So I'm presenting from my home office today. We're slowly going back, trying to keep it safe to our offices, but we all know the future is flexible, especially working in tech. In 2020, just before the pandemic hit, we have started one of our largest transformations. We merged our business development with our IT business functions and created a product organization which we call Business Tech. We have now over 350 product teams that have end-to-end responsibility for their part of the value chain. And we did this almost fully digital, since we all know what happened in 2020. And why do we need to continuously evolve? Well, of course, as the world changes, retail is rapidly changing. And we're now living in the age of software. We don't see ourselves as primarily a software company. We're still a design and fashion company, but we must master software at scale. And we see a lot of changed customer behaviors. We see a completely changed competitive landscape. And so many things of innovation is fueled by tech. It has changed how we consume, how we listen to music, how we do last mile transportation. It has changed so many things in our lives. And then going back to business tech, why did we start a product organization from the start? Well, we wanted to focus on both customer and business value, and saw that tech is a fundamental building block. And we formed business tech around both getting up our speed, be able to respond to the changed demand and expectations, and the focus on bringing great customer value. So when establishing our product organization, we wanted the team to have end-to-end responsibility, for them to be multi-competent, to be